In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Level 2 data on Robinhood. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding this feature can significantly enhance your trading strategies. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Robinhood website. It's a platform known for its 24/5 commission-free stock trading and investing, which makes it quite popular among both amateur and professional traders. Once you're at the site, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Login button. Give it a click to proceed to your personal account. Now, if you're prompted, enter your login details. If you've enabled biometric or two-factor authentication, be sure to have your phone or authentication app handy. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Robinhood homepage. This is your central hub where you have access to all your portfolio details and various trading options. From this central page, we'll need to head over to the Robinhood Legends section. This area is crucial because it provides access to different layouts and settings that are just not visible on the traditional home screen. To find the Robinhood Legend, look for a drop-down menu or link that typically directs you to more advanced trading options or settings. Upon accessing the Robinhood Legend, your next step is to navigate to the chart settings. This is a key step because chart settings is where you can customize how you view and interpret the trading data available. It gives you control over the type of information you want displayed, which is essential for maximizing the efficiency of your trades. Once in the chart settings, you can begin to read the Level 2 data. Level 2 data provides you with insights into the bid and ask prices and the depth of the market. This means you can see all the pending orders and their sizes, which can provide valuable insight into the potential future direction of a stock's price. Using this data effectively can allow you to gauge market sentiment and make more informed trading decisions. And that's it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to read Level 2 data on Robinhood, allowing you to make more informed decisions and potentially improve your trading outcomes. Remember, practice and consistent observation are key when it comes to mastering the use of Level 2 data. Explore these settings and get comfortable with the interface. Soon, it will become second nature to you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading!